CalAmp, your fleet management solution. This is the LMU2630 device. It will be installed with a 5C908 connectorized harness. This product is compatible with any vehicle. We are using it now for 3-wire installations, but it is expandable for future needs without requiring harness replacement. Here's a list of the tools and supplies required for this installation. Remove dash panels for mounting and connection access as needed. The harness we are using has an 8-foot power lead with included fuse holders. We recommend you not shorten the harness. Plan to bundle the excess and tie it out of the way. You will only need to connect black to chassis ground, red to constant power, and white to ignition. Insulate any remaining open wires. When testing for constant 12 volts, you should see the same voltage on the circuit as you have at the battery through all accessory ignition and start positions. Ignition circuits should not show power until the key is in the run position and maintain power through the start position. Watch for any circuits that show power with the key on but drop out when the vehicle is in the start position. These kinds of circuits can lose power with accessories set to different configurations as they were when tested. Wire connections should be permanent to the circuit. A common method is called poke and wrap. First, poke circuit and insert wire. Second, squeeze closed and wrap around. Third, seal with electrical tape and zip tie for a permanent connection. Fuse holders should also be secured to avoid tampering. When making crimped connections on a seamed connector, be sure to place the seam in the cradle of the crimper. To help avoid wires pulling out, a tooth-style crimper is preferred over a flat squeeze-style tool. To allow for enhanced functionality, the device needs to be mounted to a solid component in the vehicle. Any available underdash bracket can be used. A loose device is a performance concern. Do not mount to cables, hoses, or harnesses. Also, stay away from anything that moves during normal operation of the vehicle. Chassis ground should be drilled into a ground source with paint removed or a good ground point on the vehicle. All terminal connections should include shrink tube. Inspect your connection to be sure it is tight and not stripped out. Wires should be run in a manner that do not interfere with any moving components. Once the LMU is connected and mounted, start the vehicle, move it outside, and leave it running. The LEDs will start blinking. After 1 to 5 minutes, depending on geography, they will remain solid. You are now ready to call in for verification. Once verified, bundle up your excess cables and zip tie them out of the way under the dash. For install verification, call 1-888-224-1563 and select option 2. Please have your ESN available when you call. Thank you for choosing CalAmp, the new how.